Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I truly appreciate your support. On this channel, we share simple and natural hair care recipes that are easy to make at home using ingredients you may already have in your kitchen. Now let me ask you something. Have you been trying everything to grow your hair but it still feel like it's not getting any longer? Maybe your hair keeps breaking, your edges are getting thinner, your scalp feels dry or itchy, or your hair has simply stopped growing the way you want. If that sounds like you, then today's video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple hair growth spray. You only need two main ingredients, but these two ingredients work together to help keep your scalp healthy, reduce breakage, refresh your scalp, and support healthy hair growth. But don't leave after learning the recipe because I'm going to explain why each ingredient is so special, how it works, how to use it correctly, what mistakes to avoid, and what you can expect if you stay consistent. Remember, healthy hair does not happen overnight. It takes patience, good habits, and consistency. If you give your hair the care it needs, you'll be surprised by the difference you may notice over time. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So let's get started. Now let's talk about our first ingredient, rosemary. Rosemary is a green herb that have been used for hundreds of years, not just for cooking but also for natural beauty and hair care. In recent years, rosemary has become one of the most talked about natural ingredients for hair care, and for good reason. One of the biggest benefits of rosemary is that it helps improve blood flow to the scalp. Why is that important? When blood flows well around your scalp, it carries oxygen and nutrients to your hair roots. Those nutrients help create a healthier environment for your hair to grow. Rosemary is also rich in natural antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your scalp from damage caused by everyday stress and pollution. Over time, these things can affect the health of your scalp and your hair. Another reason people love rosemary is because it can help reduce scalp dryness and make the scalp feel cleaner and more comfortable. If your scalp feels healthier, your hair often becomes easier to manage. Many people who use rosemary regularly also say their hair feels stronger, looks shinier, and breaks less often. Remember, reducing breakage is just as important as growing new hair. Your hair may already be growing from the root, but if the ends keep breaking, you won't notice the length. Our second ingredient is fresh ginger. Most people know ginger as a cooking ingredient, but it also has a powerful benefit for hair care. Fresh ginger is packed with natural antioxidants and other helpful plant nutrients that support a healthy scalp. One of the reasons ginger is so popular is because it helps improve blood flow around the scalp. Just like rosemary, this helps your hair roots receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. Ginger also helps keep the scalp feeling fresh and clean. If you use a lot of styling products or hair gel or cream, your scalp can sometimes feel heavy. Using ginger as part of your hair routine can leave your scalp feeling refreshed. Many people also enjoy the gentle warming feeling ginger gives after application. It makes the scalp feel awake and refreshed. Another great benefit of ginger is that it helps support a healthy scalp environment. A healthy scalp is one of the best foundations for healthy hair growth. Now imagine combining these two amazing ingredients. Rosemary helps improve blood flow. Ginger also supports healthy blood flow. Rosemary helps refresh the scalp. Ginger helps refresh the scalp too. Both ingredients contain natural antioxidants. Both ingredients help create a healthier environment for your hair roots. This is why this simple spray have become one of the most popular homemade hair treatments. Sometimes the most simplest recipes are the most effective when used consistently. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of rosemary, 1 medium-sized fresh ginger root, and 2 cups of clean water. That's all. Simple and affordable. First, wash your ginger thoroughly. Even though you'll be boiling it, it's always a good idea to remove any dirt from the surface. Next, slice the ginger into small pieces. This helps release more of its natural goodness into the water. Now pour 2 cups of water into a pot. Add your rosemary, then add your sliced ginger. Place the pot on medium heat and allow it to boil for about 5 to 8 minutes. After the water boils, the natural goodness from both ingredients slowly move into the water. After boiling, switch off the heat, cover the pot. Now allow it to sit for at least 1 hour. This step is very important because it gives the rosemary and ginger more time to release their nutrient benefits into the water. Once the mixture has cooled completely, strain it. Pour the liquid into a clean spray bottle. Your rosemary and ginger hair growth spray is now ready to use. How to apply? Spray the mixture directly onto your scalp. You can also spray it slightly over your hair strand. Once you have sprayed it, gently massage your scalp with your fingertips for 2 to 5 minutes. This simple massage helps spread apply the spray heavily across your scalp. You can use this spray every day or several times each week. The most important thing is to stay consistent. Don't forget to see in moisture. This is one step many people forget. The spray is water-based. Water needs moisture to your hair. If you do not see that moisture, it can quickly evaporate. After using the spray, apply a leave-in conditioner, shea butter, olive oil, castor oil, or another light natural oil to lock the moisture into your hair. This simple step can make a big difference. With regular use and a good hair care routine, many people notice their scalp feels fresher, their hair feels softer, their hair becomes easier to manage, their hair looks shinier, their hair feels stronger, they experience less breakage, their hair gradually becomes fuller over time. Remember, this spray supports healthy hair. It is not magic product that works overnight. Healthy hair growth takes patience. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting results after only 1 or 2 uses. Natural remedies work best when used consistently. Another mistake is forgetting to wash the scalp regularly. Even natural products can build up over time. Keeping your scalp clean is an important part of healthy hair care. Small healthy habits often make a big difference over time. Rosemary and ginger may seem like simple kitchen ingredients, but together they can make a powerful homemade spray that supports healthy hair and scalp care. The secret is not using dozens of expensive products. The real secret is choosing a simple routine and sticking to it. If you stay consistent, take care of your scalp, protect your hair from damage, and keep your hair moisturized, you will notice stronger, healthier, and fuller looking hair over time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who is looking for a simple and natural hair care recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, stay consistent, and keep giving your hair the love it deserves.